notes to the
Okay.
call, okay, sir?
Excuse me. I need an official. Notes is not official. I need an
Yeah,
official
it's gonna
police
be
report.
documented on the
But
call.
that's an official.
Yes, it's
police
gonna be
report.
officially documented.
Okay, because
on
notes
the
is
call.
different than police report. Because I want an official
No,
police
there's
report.
gonna be, it's gonna be officially
Okay,
documented on the call.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Mr. Estrada. So I'll be here next week.
You'll just have to come in and pick it up.
Next week.
Because there's no suspect
I'm here
information.
to recover a GPS unit
Okay.
that was recovered over the weekend,
Because it's not a
an
crime
ankle monitor.
on what you told us.
Okay, but we can get the name of the guest because she's at the Miracle Spring Spa, room
It
211.
was dispatch, I had a
So-
guy
There's no
on,
crime that occurred.
GPS
Okay,
monitor,
right, but
cut
I would
off,
need
that
to
was
have
the
her
police were
official
looking
name
for him,
also
they
if
found the monitor,
possible.
brought it here for me
Okay,
to
I
recover.
don't know how you expect us to get that. You're the one that
Jeff
did what
Lisa.
you did with her in the field. We did it.
Right, I just know, but like I'm saying is, I can't go to Miracle Springs and ask the lobby for the guest's name. You guys can go there in relation to a police report.
Okay, but at the same time, how are we gonna get that information though?
Because I'm telling you, she's staying in room 211 at Miracle Springs Resort.
Okay, well, if she has a room, then why did you guys do what you did in the field?
Because she had two guests. I mean, she was actually a guest. Two other of her friends are staying there, and she was our guest. So she couldn't really bring me into her room.
Well, that right there is the incident that shows you came in for that reason.
Right, but
And
I would
everything you
appreciate
said-
it if you guys can
everything you
reach
said-
out to Miracle Springs and ask who,
Again,
what the third guest's
we'll do
name
the
be.
best we can, okay?
Right, but I cannot leave without that full name though, because then I won't
Well,
have,
I can't go get the full name right now because I don't even know. who
but you guys can make a phone call. It's not, like I said, her first name is Tony.
There's ways of doing things,
Right,
and we can't just do it that way.
but
Again,
it's in relation
it's
to a
gonna be-
police report, so
it's
her
gonna be-
name
yes.
is very imperative.
okay, so do you have her name?
I said her name was Tony, but I don't know her full name. For all I know, she could have given me a fake name to begin with.
Okay, but again, how many Tonys do we know around?
Right,
Resort?
but she's staying at room 211 as a guest.
As a guest, but
As-
they're not gonna have her name on file if she's a guest.
Right, but the people that are on the room will know her name.
Okay, and that's if they even decide to talk to us.
Right, but I would like to have a name if
I
possible. I
understand. You
mean,
would like
it's
to
not
fire,
that hard
but
for you
again,
guys to.
If anything, you should know who you're having intercourse with.
Right, but this is not a relationship. This is a one night stand.
I know.
Okay, one night stands, I could care less what her full names are. But this is a special circumstance
No,
which
I know.
happened.
Everything that
Okay,
you said.
it was a
that we
very
talked-
special
that we talked about
circumstance.
in there.
Okay, because I don't want something to come out and her.
And at the same time, too,
Especially
that's
when
where-
she mentioned
I
that she
know,
can't
but
get
at the-
pregnant.
I know, but at the same time, that's where you need to start being an adult
Right.
and start being more
I was
responsible.
an
and
adult and
not
I used
acting-
protection.
And not acting immature,
Right.
and having sex out in the field.
Right, but I did use protection.
No problem.
immature, man.
But
Come on.
I understand, but all I would like to do is for you guys to make an attempt to get her
And
name.
we'll try and do our best, okay?
But it's not that hard to call Miracle, you know what I mean? Call the lobby or even a quick
Okay,
trip to
We'll
Miracle.
try and do our best, but at the same time too, you need to stop having intercourse out in public.
Okay, I admitted that is wrong,
Mm-hmm.
okay, but that does not take away from the fact that we need to discover her name.
Okay, and again, we'll see what we can do, but as I said
Okay,
before,
but-
and as the other officer said, there's no crime that has been committed. So we'll document everything that you said, and if you wanna come back next week and pick up a copy of what's been documented, then that's what you can do.
Are you gonna
Okay?
be able to make an attempt to get her name for me
But
today,
as-
please,
but as of What
officer?
happened, we're really at a standstill because again, the whole thing with your semen and everything like that, there's
Right.
no crime that's been committed.
Right, but I explained to you that in case she gets pregnant, and I told
Okay,
you
and
that
that's
I
where
repped a
you-
noose.
If that happens, if she gets pregnant,
That means she
then-
secretly
okay,
put
but
her
that's the thing.
my sperm in her vagina
But at the same
behind
time,
my
too,
back.
At the same time too, you want to act like an adult and play like an adult. You got to be prepared for adult consequences.
Right, right. Okay, if
So
if the
that's where you
condom
need to be
broke,
prepared.
I'll take full responsibility. But not when the condom's not broken.
All right.
That's impossible for me to have kids that way.
Okay. So we'll do
Jeff,
what we
we
can.
sell?
But at the same time on your end,
Okay.
you got to be an adult.
You're right.
You end up becoming
I
a
understand.
father,
I'm not
there's
perfect.
consequences
Okay.
you took.
You're right. Okay. But I'll be a father, but that's if it was consensual, two parties.
Document what I can.
Not if one party secretly shoves sperm out her vagina without my consent. That's not being a father.
And then
Okay.
we'll go from there, okay?
All right.